When you're sad, something is going down. When you're happy, something is going up. If it's this type of happiness, then I have to say, first of all, it's not what I'm looking for. I want to become stable. I want to become somehow rooted. I know myself. I know what I can do. I'm happy with myself. I'm fulfilled with myself. And now everything else can come additionally, and I'm going to enjoy it. But I know for myself already, I'm centered. I'm in peace.
Morning everyone. I think it's about F6. We're in the rock zone. Sun's coming up, moon's still there. The moon is so bright at night, you wouldn't believe it. It's like a second sun. Slept there. Didn't sleep for shit. Too hard, too lumpy, too cold. Had several dreams, all bad ones. But we're gonna head up the col. We're gonna get to the refuge in maybe an hour and a half. So we'll miss breakfast, I think. Well, maybe we get a little lemon Fanta, and then we're gonna pound into Salardu, and hopefully we get there decent time, like lunchtime-ish. Get restocked, get planned up for stage 4, which is a big wilderness stage I've just read. I don't like that. I like shops. Okay, we necked a bit of our 4-day-old couscous, and that's given us some energy, so it's time for everyone's favourite game. Who are the call? I think this might be it. The sun is in my eyes, so I cannot see anything at all. Oh, there we go. Whoa. There we go. Downhill all the way to Salardu. Let's get motoring. Oh, we made it to the refuge, but we didn't get breakfast. We did get Fanta lemon. Well, that is Fanta lemon, yeah. We got 2. So we tank these and then we'll get down to Salar-Dhu. Vamos. Just taking a quick look at day 25. So we slept up in the depression in the Col. We're now here. We've just got that to do. So in terms of the map, yeah, we slept there, now we're there. We've just got this, easy downhill. Hopefully the path's nice. I prefer a road. Told you last night, every rock has a name. Look at all the rocks. There they are. Rocky Balboa, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Fucking everywhere. The moon's still up, look. When does it go away? Alright, how do you get down here? Probably not that way. Let's go around here. Okay, we're about half an hour from Salar-Dhu. Pretty much there. I had to charge the thing up in the bag, so we're just on the road now. It's just an endless road. But like I said, half an hour, and then I'm definitely taking smoking back up again. I want tobacco, I want lemon Fanta, I want a hotel, I want fucking pizza. One pizza. And I want like Pringles, Haribo. I want a bit more toothpaste for that tooth I broke. Well, look at the town on the hill, mate. How the hell is that? We go left to Salar-Dhu, we don't go to that. That looks huge. That's like a fucking city. There's more of the big town. It's a little town here called Tredos, which is just before Salar-Dhu. Just here. Salar-Dhu's up there. So we're going to check it out and see if it's got Fanta. Allez, vamos! Oh, oh, oh. Look how big this place is. This is the small town. Oh yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, this town. They're going to sell cigarettes in this town. The size of the fucking thing. Right, where's the shop? Anyone see a Tesco? It's fucking siesta time. Yeah, again, another fucking siesta. Do they open today? Or is it a full day siesta? We got some Fanta, a little tortilla, which is just an omelette here. And I've just tanked all their vinegar. I love vinegar. After couscous, vinegar's tasty. Christ, it was €5 for like a 2-egg omelette, 4 chunks of bread, loads of vinegar, and a can of lemon Fanta. Maybe the shop in Salar-Dhu sells things at reasonable prices. Maybe we're not in mountain prices anymore. Vamos. It's got shops, beds, toilets. It's dry. It's got a bus. Fucking hell, this shit we've not seen for a long time. It's a big truck. Whoa! I think we might have gone the wrong way. Oh. Shit. That's the bar. Shop's down here. Looks pretty small, but I'm just gonna get some snacks and then try and get the hotel first. And then there seems to be millions of bars and cafes and stuff. Hello, we're in the hotel. I'm not sure what my last message was, but we came to town, went to the shop, got a big bag of food and came to the hotel. Full tub of Ben and Jerry's. And then we had down here, we had most of this loaf of bread with the, well, that's the nectarine thing. We had a big wedge of cheese, that sort of chorizo stuff and crisps, and we just kept making sandwiches up. And quite a full 2 liters of lemon Fanta. So I think I've had a lot of calories today. We're getting ready for stage 4 now. There's a shop today, which is one I've been to. There's a shop in 2 days, but it takes quite a long detour, and that's it for that, like 9 days. And there's only only 3 or 2 or 3 refuges that sell food. So we're just gonna have to go back to the shop and just buy everything. We'll buy as much as we can carry, really. That's all we can do. So that's it. I've heard there's a tobacco shop in the next town, So I've got to walk 7 kilometers now to get some Becky, which is retarded, but that's what I'm gonna do. It's relatively early. I've eaten so much I could pass out, but I don't feel full. I could eat more, but I probably shouldn't, because last time I did that it fucked me up. So let's go. We're gonna soak our clothes, our ugly clothes, dirty clothes. We'll get them soaking, then we'll bounce. Okay, let's get on the road. Alright, we bombed it at just a short 3.5 kilometers down to the town that sells all the Becky. But exactly where that shop is remains a mystery. It's Godfather 4, Return of the Siesta, and someone is actually having a siesta in the under the shadow of the basketball net. I'm not making this up. This is actually happening. The noise is outrageous. Where's the tobacco? Let's just get in and out as fast as possible. You lot, well, that looks like tobacco to me. Oh yes. Guess what? Siesta. Fucking siesta. I assume that means it opens at 5. What will we do? Hang around. It's a good Amber Leaf original. Papers, fine. I've got menthol. I've got three packs of menthol. Bought the red wine like you do out here. I went down there to the big busy bar, but shit. So I'm going up to this dirty looking bar. See if they're any better. Closing. Whoa. Let's try the other one. There's another one. Yeah, so the bars are all shit basically, and but this is generally what it looks like before I go to bed. So I sleep in that one. All my shit's on this one. I've got 2 pairs of socks up there. This that never dries, socks and shit everywhere. Hey, it's me again. Yeah. So I want a fully formed light bringer, but I don't know if I've brought my super glue, because it's a bit of quartz I got from the Col de Maleras, which is going to go here. Lightbringer has two blessings. It can do blessing of lightness, which is, you know, bag's too heavy, leg's not working, lightness, but also blessing of light to drive away dark thoughts and spiders especially. So blessing of light, blessing of lightness, one for the mind, one for the body. Lightbringer, Torch of the Portium.